Imagine organic chemistry as a skeleton, the simple, sturdy frame of a hydrocarbon. But what gives a molecule a face, hands, a personality? That's the job of functional groups. By swapping just one hydrogen atom for a small cluster containing oxygen, we can turn a basic fuel into a perfume, an antibiotic, or even a poison. It's a tiny change with massive consequences. Let's meet our first key player, alcohols, defined by their hydroxyl or OH group. This group is a game changer because it allows alcohols to form powerful hydrogen bonds. Think of them as tiny molecular magnets. This attraction is why ethanol dissolves in water and has a much higher boiling point than the simple alkane it came from. You need more energy to pull those magnets apart. Next up, carboxylic acids. They have a COOH group, making them weak acids, responsible for the sharp tang of vinegar, which is ethanolic acid. They're even better at hydrogen bonding than alcohols, often pairing up into stable dimers, which gives them exceptionally high boiling points. The sharp sting from an ant? That's methanolic acid at work. So what happens when an alcohol and a carboxylic acid react? You get an ester. These are the scent makers of the chemical world. The COOO group they contain is responsible for the sweet, fruity smells of pineapples, bananas, and flowers. Unlike their parents, esters can't form hydrogen bonds with each other, which gives them more moderate boiling points and allows their fragrant molecules to escape into the air. From the high boiling point of an alcohol to the sharpness of an acid and the sweet aroma of an ester, these functional groups are what give chemistry its flavor. They prove that in the molecular world, it's the small details that build the entire diversity of life.